The Castle app offers a premium subscription, easily purchased within the app through its settings menu or via Google Play Store, providing ad-free viewing, exclusive content, unlimited downloads, higher streaming quality, priority support, and special offers. However, it is important to note that the Castle app is not currently available internationally. Therefore, consider this limitation before purchasing a premium subscription. The cost of premium might be worthwhile if you frequently use the app and value its features, but less so for occasional users. The premium library is extensive but might not include everything you seek. Like any app, glitches are possible. Alternatives like Talk TV, Disney Plus, and Netflix offer free or cheaper premium options and wider international availability. You'll also find modified, modded APKs online offering premium features for free, but these carry significant risks, including malware, instability, potential illegality, and lack of support. Carefully weigh the pros and cons of premium, free alternatives, and modded APKs before choosing, remembering the risks associated with modded APKs.